Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel,
the Parchment Fam.
Alright, so as you can see today we're in the kitchen.
Yes.
This video was being requested for how long? Months.
But by popular demand.
Yeah, so we're not getting no cooking vlog, but so because it's like everybody busy. And
you just whip up something.
We just whip up something fast sometime at the time and we don't really get time to record. Or we go up on the road and buy something to eat if it's too late, because sometimes we come in late. Food no cook you know?
Yes.
Yeah, but besides that, welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time, you know, y'all get something entertaining to watch. And
yes,
we have a lot of other videos on the channel. Go ahead and check them out, please and thanks. Alright, so we're not bore you too much with too much talking. Today we have a cooking video. Alright, so we are sure now what we are cook today. We are telling you and showing you at the same time. When I make sense to tell you now and then turn on and show you. So we are showing you at the same time so you can see where we attack. So we are flip the camera and making you see. Alright? Yeah people, so as you can see, today we are cook some pig stew.
Stew peas.
Stew peas we are cook with pig tail inside, and we have a red peas here, so we have a pig tail. Let me say them pig tail are big, gotcha. One of them this big people is like about 5 big tail range. Very big.
Man,
yeah, man, big man. Some big these are them pig are coming like an elephant. Yeah. So we have a pig tail that I soaked from last night. We have a peas soaked from last night to soak up whole like water out of that business. We have a pot, so we have a pot where we are boiling the pigtail in right now before we start cook. So we boil the pigtails first and also put the peas to pressure. We have a coconut milk ready already. We have seasoning, the black pepper. We get with onion and with scallion. We have a onion here, so the scallion here, so scallion. Where the onion there? Somebody I hit you with the recipe people. We have thyme here, so we have with thyme.
We have banana.
We have the onion at come right now. We have with onion and garlic.
The garlic there.
Oh, the garlic there already, so see garlic here. So see garlic here people. Meat, peas,
ready.
All the seasoning and everything ready, so let's get to it.
Man.
No use.
Maybe wash it. Feel it. Feel the blade. You wash them?
Yeah people, so start chopping pigtail as you can see, 1 piece chop, and we have to stop and sharpen up it. Last year, because yeah, but been in it, we don't know what iron they use the chop or somebody head tough and they get it. But right about now, I have to go sharpen it up, you know. So what me put on and the sharpen pan here, they will bust up meat again.
See difference now.
so right now, put on the pigtail, like pot, turn on the stove and boil out the salt out of it, you know, a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, man, you can't just cook pigtail like that because it will be very salty.
Well, if you have the salted one.
The salted one, exactly. Yeah, this is salted pigtail. So, yeah, if it's not the salted pigtail, then you can't skip that step there.
Yeah, and we are making no say. I first have to pigtail for myself.
Not pig. Why you keep on calling it pigtail? Stew peas.
Stew peas, yeah. Not pigtail. Sorry, we cook pigtail all the time, but as far as we usually make soup and all that, but as far as we cook stew peas,
yes, we never cook stew peas. We cook pea soup with it.
Yeah, because they say they then use Thai people and me not Thai nobody, so that's why. So then, come to think of it, you rather day as if it be stew peas, whenever try Thai me.
Me try tire me, you don't tire already.
Try whenever.
Anytime you remember when we used to work at supermarket, I want me to cook you. When me da cook something, you say you want some of that to that tie you.
Stew peas. Me make sure me not come out of the kitchen today.
Answer me no.
Me see everything we are going.
Answer me, I want me to cook for you potato pun.
Yeah.
So me di cook give you. Then tire they say that tie from because you done there a long time. You not know where you go.
Come out of the kitchen today. Say.
Me try tell you.
Day talk about stew peas.
Because I'm pregnant.
Me watch one go on the kitchen.
Go ahead. Just wipe with. But me a try tie. Me tell you that tie long time. What can I tell you that about?
Yeah. Yeah, people, so right about now as you can see me, I wash up a scallion. I not use all of this, don't worry. Just wash them.
Some people use one like that.
So, I wash up the season them now. Garlic, onion.
Onion fish strip.
Onion, garlic.
Onion fish strip. So you strip something with that?
I big knife, I use
I cut ya. Remember strip it here? I know why you waste my onion.
Small knife, I use strip it. I use strip it. Here is the big one.
You sweet. I make strip some garlic in it.
Yeah, so I put my season them in that. I put my season them in that base near. I go along, yeah.
You fling it down so. Jeez.
Piece of thing of scallion, yeah. You see me? Just beat him up, take the bottom part. Let me just bust up some because now if you cut it up too fine, yeah.
May you put your hand?
Do that good enough. You know?
No.
And then we go so boom. Bust him 4 so me like no onion.
So you do it?
I want it too thick.
That look thick to me.
Go it and boil out still. Yeah.
That was fast.
Now we have the garlic already. So,
Garlic here. I've got strip him.
the garlic here. We do them real fast, yeah? So we're not too low when it comes to the kitchen, yeah?
Can you just dig off and something while you do it? That's what you do with the onion.
So we move fast and swift. This thing, you know?
That piece there alone you want? I know you don't like no whole garlic, you know.
This bread, you know?
People hate garlic with a passion.
Them one of them just pressing so see that big old piece of garlic that. Give another press pan of big size.
I just chop him in that.
You see me?
You say you don't want to chop up too fine.
Yeah, people.
They can't fine.
That's the season. Yeah, so
put them there.
With peas are boiled, well, it's supposed to have pressure, but the pressure cooker give like a problem right about now. It does have give little soup, pressure, you know, pressure, it's a soup. So, a lot of like regular pot now, we have to go get a pressure cooker.
Yeah. A good thing with soup.
This lasts about 2 years. Come by 2018 and it done in a 2021. So almost 3 years.
I'm like when my thing lasts at least 5 years, you know.
Yeah, this microwave. Well, we are cooking and we are going a little history. This microwave, we have this.
This is the boss.
With 9
this
years.
moving with we.
This is 9 years.
The microwave, the moving with, remember?
Yeah. We have it for 9 years and it's still going strong.
Well, you know, things sometimes it take long for hot. But you know things deteriorate.
He used to take now we have one period of time, but it start hot.
It's like but it's still not fire as good as the other one. But you don't do.
For some reason, if it things normally had 3 minutes, now we have to put it 4 minutes.
Yeah.
And good. So we don't need to change that right there, no?
Oh no.
But we need a pressure cooker. Definitely.
Yeah. Yeah, like I mean, the things that we have they usually last long, man. So we don't know what.
Yeah. So.
The rice cooker, how long we have it? More than... Remember, we did have one and we have...
And mess up and we get this one around 4 years ago. Yeah.
So, yeah.
That's it. Pigtail a boil. Me get a spoon and stir him.
Bubble, it a bubble and a boil, it a boil.
Stir him up.
Just salt we a boil out, so.
Yeah.
They will lamp on the skelly and them, so.
Yeah, so all we can do now. All we can do now is wait and these to boil. We can't do nothing more.
Can't do nothing. Never
so
get something.
So, Mr. make up some dough for the spinners and leave them in a plate so I just spin them out of me. And that time we use them up so.
So, put away them stuff,
Let's go.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, people, so. I check on with pigtail now, as you can see they're coming along a little bit. They tend now out, you know. Now boil them too much still because them all cook. Yeah, but they're coming along.
Ow.
Yeah, people, so right about now, 2 more ingredients we have, sweet pepper and carrot. So we have put them there right about now, you know. Wash off the carrot. We didn't have to scrape it much.
Yeah, to scrape it much.
Well, we don't have to scrape because we don't make juice with it or anything. We have to put it in the pot. So some people scrape it, some people don't, but I make sure I wash it properly, you know. So cut up the carrot. That can go in a seasoned bowl. So piece of tail I can throw away. 2 fat pieces and we'll split this here. And then with green pepper. Just bust him right there, so. You know? Take out a little piece here out of it. You know that piece here sometimes make it bitter in a man.
Yeah, that can use. Even if sometimes you like one little bit of it. You know, so maybe see pepper, me always wash out the seed them.
No, the seed. Seed good, man.
Yeah, I want to see them. Peace. Nothing now weird. Now take up a piece of crap.
So we have to take out the shoot off the water for this and now. Get him out of the place and now. Yeah, so see steel piece there.
See pigtail.
Pigtail.
Just mix up in name them. Ready.
Yeah, people, so we put on the pigtail, we go and cook on the fire now.
The first one was to mainly boil out the salt. No, I will cook. That's all we have to. I will just put it on.
Yeah, so I cover him up, you know.
You can go and steam and spring water, yeah. While the peas, we get another pressure cooker now, so the peas pressure cooker, them the peas are too tough. Don't it?
don't know where you buy the peas in, but
Me
me that for your recite.
Me nah dash you away though.
I don't know how to sit down and wait for the peas.
The only reason why because the pressure cooker wasn't working and you know that. We sit down here about an hour and because the pressure cooker never that work, nothing happen. You see me? A little bit less when it done then me buy a different type, you see me?
That's why I use canned red peas people, the cook already.
Now the while you can't use that.
So
And it's not authentic all the while, you see me?
that me use.
When you boil your peas and
No
so
wait time.
yeah, but you won't get that authenticity in it.
If I cook stew peas, me buy one bag of peas and small bag of peas.
Yeah, but you could
And
have.
if it's tough, me care back here.
You can't go tell you they not take it because they not take it because you don't know what kind of batch of peas you get. It's just pressure it. Like I said, what pressure cooker not working, so yes.
Yeah, we get a replacement right now. I use, you know?
So hopefully that's it. I go to me the house soak it too for last night to make it a little easier.
Yeah, so see peas, pig steel are
You
going
have to mix up everything.
I fry it into one, it and make you know.
Yeah,
That's spring water, you know?
stir them up.
That's spring water still.
That's spring water. That have your own oil, you know, that's why you don't need no oil.
Yeah, what we are going to
You
still,
know,
we are
say your
going-
favorite word,
we have
saute.
We have tip little water upon it, if anything, you know?
Not yet, man, I can
When
still.
you don't spring out in
That
one
is
water
spring
and
feed
put up,
water.
then we put in a little bit more night.
So you get to go and cook. And pigtail, I want that sitting with tough.
You know the people, so you put some water upon it now. Keep on cooking other water then more. The peas are pressure, you know?
So you know, so by the time that the water they boil down and so forth, you get
Yeah,
the
man,
cooking.
peas are pressure upon things, so by the time the peas done pressure, it's just the true water upon this, you know? And go and cook down.
So we put some garlic in there right now to act as a tenderizer to help to cook the pigtail. Add some more water at the same time.
See, I got nice rich thickness. And that I blend in with any peas. Yeah, so that is what the pigtails look like right about now.
Waiting for the peas.
Yeah, so peas done pressure. Just release the pressure from the pressure cooker. And
Yeah, bun.
this looks really nice from what I'm seeing here. Peas
Wow.
they look soft. Some of them softer than some.
Always.
Water red and nice.
Pressure out, man. Bulk it
We're gonna put this in our pot with our pigtail right now.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
You don't cut the peas ain't tough. I pressure cooker did the problem.
Yeah, so some of the peas them soft and some still hold together and
Well,
some.
you want to start with thick up the water,
Yeah,
you know?
so I put that
Wow,
we
look
go
at
and
that,
simmer
man,
down
very
right
red.
about now. And put it
Simmer
there.
down to go and cook. They
Yeah,
something
so
they
we
want to cook
put that
some
we
more.
start cook. We put in the season too. Yeah, so
Cook
when I
with the
get
seasoning.
I get the carrot and all of that I put inside the pot now with this. So
Okay, all that flavor then just married together, you see me? Look nice. Yeah, man. Hold on there. All that the end up in it.
try in a carrot.
But the part you said if you throw with the other tip.
Yeah. Then back in a pot in a basin. Yeah, so
They're looking nice, people.
that is the pot with the pigtail, see the seasonings cut up and the peas.
And the peas, that we cook down now.
Cook down now.
Smell nice.
Probably tip a little tip of meat season pan it.
You want to cook? Okay.
Yeah. Just gonna tip a little bit of meat season pan that. But we don't want no salt taste in there. That is good enough.
Your salt already.
Tip of black pepper. What? So we have this one, macaronic black pepper. That's what we're gonna use.
That's really good kind of black pepper. You have issues. See, madam. Eh. Smell the black pepper.
So we'll stir them up now.
Cover him up my thing. Cook and then that thick up.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Look at that, people.
Nice. That come along, you know. So we just have to put the coconut milk in it now.
It's so flavor. Can I feel body now? Watch it.
Some spinners, little bit of spinners, and
Come on.
make some spinners put in it. And so, you know, so I mix up the coconut powder and I want to put in.
Yeah, man.
The coconut milk I gonna mix up, you know.
Right, oh, yeah.
Caribbean drink coconut
Really
milk
bad.
I use.
Yeah, but easy walking section.
People see coconut milk they mix out. So but the two of them whole spoon you can even see coconut milk. Yeah, people, so coconut milk and throw in a pot about right amount now.
If that's thick.
See there?
Turn on the fire a little bit.
Fire turn on a little bit.
Yeah, because I want the peas to stick in. I feel like it will stick a little bit.
Yeah, so you see it get thick and
And the
nice.
color change, get the stew peas color. No, now wait.
Because the pity you can't smell it through your phone.
Take my time and stir coming along. You know?
So I make this good on a little bit. I put in
I
the
put in
spinach
spinach
too.
right now.
Right about now, you know.
Yeah, I make salt.
We done more spinach time. By the time the spinach then done cook.
Then done make her put them ready for go in. So.
Well, then we gonna make cook. They stick on down.
Why?
Yeah, people. So when them are done cook, the spinach done cook, we can take off the stew peas, you know.
Yeah. Come on, pretty. No, it is.
Right now, this is our pot. Stew peas, thick and ready. Look at that. Come like a porridge. Look.
Yeah. Come on.
Ready.
Turn on the light so you can see better.
Look at that, man. Stew peas ready, so.
Ready, I
I
so.
take this off now. So the spinach them look nice. Big chunks, big tail, right there, so. We have the spinach
Shear him out
and
now.
everything, so. Turn off the stove. Share up the food, alright? Yeah, people, so we already have a rice and everything share out because we already cooked the rice. Alright? Everybody know right rice cook, so we don't have to show none of that. Alright, so. Well, you know, say you love no spinach, so me put the spinach first.
You don't know already.
Then your few pieces, chunks are tail. No chunks are tail, you want enough.
Enough tail I want.
And then we go give enough and share out myself. And
A whole heap of tail in
you like it in piece of tail like this?
Yeah, that's alright. I like that one.
Give you some more.
Hey man, people, you don't know how long me I crave
Yeah,
this.
that's right.
And I waste none, you know.
You want more tail?
One more piece.
No, big piece.
No, that feel a little piece over there, so we have
This?
over there, so. Yeah. Yeah, him that. You know, come on, have some fee. You don't know in the week. See me? No.
You don't want no bunny rice?
Me no black good.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Stew peas.
Alright, hurry up.
Proper, you know, so I give mine a piece.
Sure.
A little piece of pigtail. Pigtail well soft and tender.
Awful. You not even going
Watch your people.
you not going to your belly. It's a lie tell.
That one is a yes.
You swallow it already?
Watch your me can't stop saying yes, watch her. You man, it tastes good man, watch her.
A me cookie.
I 2 hour cookie. Can me do most I cookie.
Yeah, no, please.
Clap myself. Me clap myself.
Big up your chest. Alright, my third for tears now.
Remember saying we telling us here first we cook stew peas myself because we never cook it myself yet. Oh my. Me see where you're going with now.
You know me
If you get a different batch of stew peas from me.
You know me not create excitement like I do that. Me eat fancy. People when they crave something for a long time, and if you don't get it just right.
So yeah, saying alright.
Me never say no just, me never say me I tell them. Say if you never just right, then me don't know me that manage today. Yeah man. Look at that. 29 salt is a seasoning get where I don't normally like seasoning going on my mouth. I not to realize. Me not taste it.
Hey, that's the peas are bad. Nah lie. Tastes
Just
good.
fire for a bone.
Meat just a slide off my bone, people. Tender and nice. And them and look on my plate. Whoa. Wicked. Look there. Look how me just use the fork and ring it off. Watch. Look there. See it come off. That's it. Nice chunk this.
Can you talk? Why people? I'm out of water for this. You know? You come like a whole heap of time we make it
Wicked.
So, we need to go, if you need to
We need to build my restaurant. Right now.
the
Right
Parchment
away.
Fam restaurant.
We need to build my restaurant right now. Stew peas are too bad. Look there.
Alright. We need to edit and go eat. Cause
People, we going another look. What there? Boy, oh my.
Bad.
Look there. Yeah, people, so
yes.
as you can see, the boat land. This is more than a boat, it's a ship. Look there.
Ship, a
Yeah.
cruise ship.
Yeah, so basically, we say it's the first time we attempt to cook stew peas yourself and we cook it. Come out nice, as you
Good.
can
And we
see.
not exaggerate.
We not exaggerate,
Not
but
gonna
we
lie.
proud of ourselves. This being the first time we cook stew peas for ourselves, and it never challenging, very easy, you know. And then
The pressure cooker probably
yeah,
will have
problem with the pressure
we'll
cooker.
go get that salt
Yeah,
resolved.
so that come out good, and
And one thing we never show, we add a little bit of salt.
yeah,
You
we
know?
had a little bit of salt
Yes.
because the pigtail never that salt enough.
Yeah, so just to
we
bring
add
up the flavor in
Yeah,
it.
so we add a little bit of salt.
If you cook yours and you know you're not really taste, so you're supposed to just a little bit of salt. Always bring up the flavor.
No, yeah, and if you pigtail
And
and that salt,
yeah,
it
if
have a salt, the
it
gravy.
already salt, then you don't need to add any.
Yeah, but it come out good, tastes nice
I
and
will
everything. And everybody who's been watching our channel, who's been requesting cooking videos, we finally get it done. We finally get the time. So we do appreciate you watching us and giving us suggestions. And if you need other videos, you can comment it as well, and we try to get to it as much as possible. So thank you for watching. If it's your first time, remember I must see something nice, so just head on below, subscribe.
If you reach this far, you like what you see.
Turn on the notification bell to get notified when you have more videos.
And hit the like button.
Yeah, remember to hit the like button. Now for regular viewers and subscribers, thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Thank you for your support. We will enjoy the food and now look at it again. Hey.
Yes.
So Peace out.
Bye.